by Master 100. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lanzar HTG237. It's a 1000 watt amp. It's dual channel. It's pretty much what a normal amp is. I got this off Amazon, quite cheap. Have the user manuals, like always, and over here we have the actual amp. Very simple packaging, nothing really, and that's all, pretty much. That's all you get. You have, here's standards. Let me just focus in on that. You have your ground, your REM, your battery plus. You have your speaker output for dual channel. You got your fuse. Over here you got all your switches, slash knobs. Over here you have your input and outputs, covered by these little tabs over here. This is going to be hooked up to a 15-inch kicker sub. That video will be on its way very soon. Watch another video. Don't forget to subscribe.